All right, in chapter 4, section 3, let's look at a couple ideas. So, a research center poll showed that 82% of people believe that it is morally wrong to not report all income on tax returns. What's the probability that someone does not believe this? Well, out of 100% of the population, we know 82% believe that it is, which means 18% does not. So that's looking at the complement of an event happening. Let's look at another problem is looking at this table, and it has the results from responded from a certain age group and refused from a certain age group. So if we want to figure out the probability that someone refused, I would need to know all the number that refused, and I would need to know the total number that were surveyed. We could add up all the numbers if we wanted to, but in StatCrunch, it will nicely do this for us. So we would just need to do a summary statistics of those two columns. And again, just hit Control to get them both to come up. And we'd see that there's 1,067 responded, 200 refused, so that's a total of 1,267. So if we're looking at refuse, that would be 200 over the 1,267. So a 0.158 to 3 decimal places. And then we have to look at this and do some interpretation. Does the probability value suggest that refusals are a problem for pollsters? So we could look at these, and a lot of them seem like they could be good answers. So refusals result in a sample that is too small. So maybe we could look at that. A high refusal rate. I don't think we have a high refusal rate. Maybe that sample is too small. And so, again, we're going to have to look at these and read each one of them and try to determine which one is the best.